So we vacuum sealed our water, and I wanted to do this experiment. It's a new and stronger one, I think.
Yeah, it's a little bit stronger.
Yeah. So will it go to 100?
I don't think I'll go to 100, but well, what are we wanting to see the water? We put water in here, so we have to put it in a jar. But we're gonna. You got about a fifth of the way full of water maybe, and we're gonna put it under a vacuum. We're gonna see what happens to the water when it's under a vacuum. So go ahead, turn it on.
Wait. Which one do I do?
Which one do you think needs to be open? The blue one needs to be open. Which one needs to be closed? Yep.
Oh, because so that.
Yep.
This is so much more confusing.
Right,
That's
let's
so fast.
Well, it isn't. It's much smaller. So let's watch and see what happens. It's getting up there. It's at 80%.
If you look at the water, there's just bubbles.
This is bubble.
Bubbling.
What?
How about we just let it
What is it doing?
bubbling really hard?
It's boiling. That water is boiling. Holy cow.
How about we just let it sit for a second?
Isn't that cool? That's because when you put water in a vacuum, it boils at room temperature. So that's pretty awesome. We got boiling water. So what do you think about that?
It's cool.
What do you think would happen if we got into a vacuum chamber and put it to 90%? You think that would be a good idea?
No.
No, that'd probably be a horrible idea.
But what will happen if I just
So what
lift
is it?
it off? What will happen if I just
You think you can lift it off? Why don't you try? See how strong you are. Can you break that seal?
It's sealed.
Yeah. I don't think the strongest man on earth could do that. I don't think so. Whoa, don't do that. Well, I don't think it's gonna matter, but that's sealed. And it's boiling. Okay. Well, there we go. That was our experiment. Boiling water at room temperature in a vacuum.
It's so cool from the bottom.
From the bottom? Oh, that does look pretty awesome down there.
It looks like you're just looking straight on, but it's actually under the water.
It's pretty awesome. Yeah. That's the best view, huh?
Yeah.
That's really cool. All right, well. Did you learn anything today?
That water can boil at room temperature
If
if
what?
you put it in a vacuum.
Yeah, in a vacuum cleaner?
Wait, Dad, what would happen
You
if
can put in a water